Hi everyone, it's your Pankaj here, and in today's video we are going to tackle the frustrating issue of the YI home application. Many of you reached out to me with concern about this problem. So before we jump into any advanced troubleshooting, let's start with some basic steps that can often resolve common app issues. Solution number 1. Update your application. Outdated app version can often cause to compatibility issues, so it's essential to keep your YI home app up to date. Solution number 2. Uninstall and reinstall your app. Many times there can be any technical issue. If you uninstall your application and directly you install it again, that can solve your problem. Solution number 3. If one of the previous solutions don't work, then it's time to reach out YI home support team. They have dedicated expert who can provide you assistance for specific issue. So first of all, you need to visit the YI home website and you need to find the contact us option, and in the contact us you have to tap on the email section and you have to mail them about your problem. And still if you're facing any problem, then you can tell me in the comment section. I will surely try to help you. I hope that this video is really helpful for you. If this video is really helpful for you, then please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe this channel. Thanks for watching this video. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat, Vande Mataram.